What's going on today, guys? Today we're going to be breaking down how to actually use the Webull paper trading platform. All right, so how to actually place your trades, how to get in and out of your trades, so you're able to actually use Webull to your advantage. So right now, I'm on a call with one of my students in the one-on-one mentorship with Tammy. Say hi to the camera, Tammy. Say what's up.
What's up?
Yeah. Hope you're having a great day. So today we're actually going to break down step by step how to actually use Webull to be able to actually learn how to use this brokerage account to make some real money. So step one, let's go ahead and open up the Webull application right there. Step two, we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom right corner where it says menu down here. Click that. Press on the more button right there with the three dots. Click that. After that, go ahead and scroll down to where it says trading, and you see paper trading right here in the middle column. And go ahead and click on paper trading exactly right there. And so Tammy wants to begin her trading career with $2,000. So if you want to choose your dollar amount, go to the top right corner where it says reset, click that, and then press $2,000. Because remember, you want to have a realistic number here. Even though it's fake money trading, you want to basically treat it like it's real money. So you're able to have a real life experience of trading with $2,000. So after you find success with a 2K account, with a paper trading, you can put in the real money and get to this real money into your trading career. All right. So next step, let's actually go ahead and place a trade. So today, for example, we made a lot of good money today. I made about 1.6K trading today, and I took trades on IWM, also a trade also here on Starbucks 83 puts. So let's go ahead and use today's example to go ahead and buy some trades here on Starbucks. So you see right here where I said Starbucks 83 puts, right here is my trade. Let's go ahead and put in a Starbucks 83 put. So step one, go to Webull right here, bottom right corner, where it says right here on paper trade here at the bottom right corner in orange, click that, and then type in Starbucks. So SBUX is the name of Starbucks. Click on the stock right there at the very top. Next step, go ahead and scroll over to the options tab right there. And now you're here at the options contracts. So what is the options contract? So whenever you're trading options, you have two different ways to make money. You either have calls or you have puts. So calls on the left side right here make money as companies go to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
And then puts make money as companies drop to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
So trading is recession proof. You're making money regardless if it's crashing in the market or if it's rising. So today on Starbucks, let's talk about how to actually place a trade. So what are all these numbers I see here on the screen? So first of all, in this middle column right here, where you see 80, 81, 82, 83, this middle column is called the price ladder. So the price ladder is going to tell you all the different strike prices for your options contracts that you're going to actually use to make money into the stock market world. So that being said, do you see here in the middle, Tammy, how like the price of Starbucks says 84.61?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So this is the current stock price here of Starbucks. So if Starbucks cost me $84 per contract, but then I want to see it drop down to $83, would I be buying a call or buying a put?
Put.
Yeah, correct, exactly. Cool. So that means that cool. Today Starbucks here is at 86. I'm at 84. So if I want to see Starbucks drop down to 83, I want to find 83 here in the middle column here in the price ladder. And then here on the right side of my contracts, I have all of my put contracts. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the number next to 83. And what number do you see there next to 83, Tammy?
Point six. Point 55.
Correct, exactly. So I'm gonna click it right there. And now, as you can see here at the top left corner, you see it says the Starbucks 83 puts. Here's the expiration date. So now let's go ahead and explain how to actually open up a trading position. So step one, now you're here at the order screen. You're literally so close to placing your trade. So if you're paper trading here on Webull, this is the first thing that you want to go ahead and do. Scroll down where it says order type, and then change your order type right here from a limit order, click that right there, over to a market order. So that's going to make sure and guarantee you're getting into your trades on time and as efficiently as possible. Now you can actually select how many contracts you want to put into this contract for the day. So do you see there at the bottom left corner how much it costs right there for each contract for Starbucks? $60, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. All right. So if I want to put $300 into this trade theoretically, I'm gonna tap on the contracts button 4 more times because now I have a total price here of 5 contracts at $60. And at the bottom left corner, you're able to see the price is able to actually update from $60 up to $300 right now for this position. So now from here, go ahead and tap on the button in orange, options paper trade. And now you officially open up your first options trade on Starbucks 83 puts. And then after you open up your trade, the market is closed right now, but typically all of your contracts will basically open up right here under open positions, my positions, and
Mm-hmm.
you'll be seeing your trades live, moving up in profits, up and down until you go ahead and secure and take out your profits. So that right there is how to open up a put trade.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's go ahead and open up a options call trade. So Tammy, tell us what's like one of your favorite companies right now currently?
Um, Amazon.
Amazon. So I see that you be enjoying the shop. All right. So let's go and type in Amazon. So Amazon's stock price here is AMZN right here. Look at
Mm-hmm.
the very top. Now I'm gonna scroll over to options again. And then now, so I'm seeing all these numbers here on my screen. So if you're watching this video right now, go to the bottom right corner at settings right there. And I want you to make sure that your strikes say 30 right here in your settings. Also make sure that you see here that you're on the straddle view and make sure that it says sort by ascending price. And take a screenshot of this page right here if you're watching this video so you have these exact settings into your Webull account. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now after that, so as you see here, the price here of Amazon is $206 per share. So if I want to see Amazon rise to a price of, let's say I want to see it rise up to 210, that is an appreciation of price, which means I want to be buying a call contract.
Mm-hmm.
So all the calls will be here on the left side here on my screen. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna scroll down until I find 210. I see 210 right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the number. Tammy, so what number do you see here for the 210 calls for Amazon?
Cost 1.31.
Correct. Perfect. Amazing. Cool. So now we're here again at the option screen here for Amazon. So let's go ahead and change our order type here now back to market order. And now we're ready to buy a position. So if I want to put again $300 into this trade, I'm going to tap on the contracts button. I'm just going to put 2 contracts. So I'm going to be at a total price here of 262. And if I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on options paper trade. And now I'm officially opening up a contract here also for Amazon. And to go ahead and actually sell your contracts is a very, very simple process. You'll see all your positions right here on your Webull. But if you want to see a video of how you're actually able to sell a contract quickly, I'm going to show you an example that I currently do myself, so you're able to see what it would actually look like in a real life trading market. So this right here is the example of how to sell your trade.
Chat, we're live printing with the chat. I'm up 40%.
So as you can see right here, I was up a total profit of about $700 here in this trade. So to sell your trade is as easy as a few clicks. Tap it right there. Now you're going to be here at your order screen. Tap here on sell to close at the bottom left corner.
On live.
After that, just go ahead and tap on the sell button right there.
I'm going to go to
confirm.
And
as easy as that, you're able to make and secure your profits for the day.
Okay.
Secure.
Yeah, it's really easy in my opinion.
Yes,
the
it
hard
is.
part, like the hard part, or not even the hard part, but the part that actually requires work is the technical analysis and finding the actual good trading pattern. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, Tammy, can you go ahead and tell us one more stock that you like currently?
Amazon. I like what that was that Starbucks.
Okay. So you enjoy shopping and drinking coffee. So I'm hearing. All right. Today, let's go ahead and actually buy some Starbucks calls. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna text you a trade personally, Tammy, because she's a part of the one-on-one program. So we have a very personalized, experience here. So I'm gonna text you that we're gonna be getting into the Starbucks 86 calls. And what I'm gonna do, and what I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna time myself, so I'm able to actually see how fast it would take to get into a trade live, and then we'll see how fast it takes for us to actually open up a trade live. So the play is gonna be Starbucks, 86 calls. Let me get my timer ready. Let's just see how fast it takes to actually open up a trade. So I'm gonna text it to you here. Boom. Timer started right there. Boom. Webull, paper trade, Starbucks. Click that. Options, 86. Depending on what it's worth. Boom. In the trade. Matter of a few seconds, you're able to open up a trading position.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really easy, in my opinion, to use Webull. And if you have any questions on how to actually operate Webull, how to actually use the brokerage account, feel free to definitely let me know so we're able to definitely work with it together. But now the next portion that we're going to be teaching is the charting and technical analysis. So make
Mm-hmm.
sure that if you have questions about Webull, to go watch this video over again. And Tammy, did you have any questions about how to use like this account on Webull?
No, no.
Perfect. Well, all right, let's go pause this recording and we'll look forward to seeing you on to the next video.